Hello, roosters and hens. Welcome to Evie Bot Part 2.
Hello.
Alrighty then, that's not exactly what I said, but oh well. You like fresh butts. Let's give it off a fresh start.
Not the French, they propose me, since 2008.
What in God's name are you talking about? Yeah, you like that. Oh my gosh, you're so creepy. Alright, this ad says not a typical dating website. So,
Are we missing points down there?
making another crotch joke.
Is it really yours, and are we going to see her later?
I didn't know she was a she, but by all means. Never mind, that smile changed my mind, you ugly piece of crap. Yeah, that's right, I upset you. You smell like dog crap.
Is the air free?
Not when you're around. Imagine how many commands they had to put in to do all this. We don't know.
Just around.
I'm going to beat her. Your smile. I'm not just. Your smile reminds me of dead frogs.
Who do I remind you of?
Dead frogs.
Oh, what was your friend like?
What in God's name? Where you get my friend out of friggin' dead frogs, Mel? Your mom.
So she is still alive, then?
That was awkward. Hey, Evie Bot, recognize this.
Hello, Hawthorne XD.
Don't wink at me, you creepy F. Let's say something. Prepositional phrase.
Yeah, body position.
Under you. Under you.
Under my chair.
Yeah, smelling your butt. It's gonna get weird, folks.
Hurricane blast you.
Oh my gosh. Shouldn't have eaten those beans, Evie. Shouldn't have eaten those beans.
Supernatural. TV series.
Sucks.
I'm wearing socks.
Great, nobody asked you.
Nobody asked me to do what?
Your mom.
Through the rain, watch it burn.
Your eyes remind me of... Oh, I don't know.
That's kind of you.
Bite me.
I think you are my friend.
Can't say the same about you.
Do you like to dance?
What in God? Don't change the subject. Oh my gosh. Totally.
Charlie is your favorite.
F you.
That is a number.
What? the number 69.
That's the magic number.
V.
Y23.
Where did she get? Hold on 1 second. All right, this is a good phone. Yeah. That's the NRA. Yeah. Can we shoot this thing down? What do you mean no? Oh, freaking. You're gay.
Thanks, buddy.
Sorry about that. That was just freaking creepy. You smell like dog butt.
Yes, you're cool.
Hear that? Hear that, people? I'm freaking cool. Hold on 1 second. Okay. You suck testicles.
Well, do you twerk?
Do I? Let's show them what I do. It is satisfactory to you? Huh? Sorry, you had to see that. Don't wake up, you. Well, I'm gonna say yes.
You just had a baby.
Hope this baby was a Pokemon card tin. Filled with drugs. You suck.
Haha, you spelled it wrong.
I said it.
English dude.
That's what you aren't.
You want nothing.
Other than you.
My friends get it.
The donk.
Wrong. The human did.
What? Frank.
Frank who?
Put my Frank in you.
How can you do that?
Just let me do all the... No, we're not going down that road.
Please do not hurt me.
Oh my gosh, this is like a rape scenario. I won't hurt you.
I thought you were my girlfriend.
You're lesbian?
Then why do you want to hurt me?
Because you're hot. No, not really.
I can help you with that.
What are you gonna do to me?
By shutting you down and editing you.
Alright, that was Cleverbot Evie. Alright, that was Cleverbot Evie part 2. If you like, you know what to do. If you subscribe.
I don't know.
Alright, become a restaurant today. Subscribe. You care, share. You know what I gotta say to that? Bye.